Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT Tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. In this video tutorial I'm going to talk about Adobe Illustrator, namely what is and what Adobe Illustrator can do. Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics application that allows you to create and draw logos, icons, business cards, cartoons, typographic art, posters, complex illustrations for web, for interactive presentations, for packaging design, and more. Adobe Illustrator was developed by Adobe Inc. in 1985. Since then, several versions of Adobe Illustrator have been released. The most recent version is CC Illustrator 2020, which was released on October 24, 2019. CC stands for Creative Cloud. The main advantage of working with Adobe Illustrator is that your work, regardless of which poster, icon, cartoons, and so on, is resolution independent, which means that you can enlarge the image to any size you want without losing the image quality. Also, this is a major advantage for printing various graphics objects because the objects made by Illustrator do not lose the image quality. Computer graphics include two major categories, namely vector graphics and raster graphics. Vector graphics are based on mathematical elements called vectors, which are made of lines and curves. The vectors make a graphical object according to its geometrical characteristics, that is, the lines are made of points that are connected using a mathematical computer algorithm based on different equations. For example, a wheel in vector graphics is made by drawing using a mathematical equation for a circle with a certain radius set a specific location and filled with a specific color. The graphical object can be moved, resized without losing the graphical quality because the basic equations of the computer algorithm will compensate for your actions of moving and resizing the graphical object. In opposite, the raster graphics are based on pixel lines to create various graphic objects. The main disadvantage of raster graphics is the loss of image quality quite quickly when you resize, when you change the size of the image. But instead of it, it is more useful the raster graphics than the vector graphics in adjusting, modifying the image, and reproducing a realistic image. As a result, vector graphics are the best choice for printed graphics that need to keep the lines clear when the graphic object is sized to different sizes, such as logos. But you have to know that there are disadvantages of vector graphics. I will list a few of them, such as drawings created by Adobe Illustrator tend to look flat and cartoon. Very difficult to reproduce realistic photographic drawings using Adobe Illustrator. But here Photoshop comes and helps us to make a better job when there is about to reproduce realistic photographic and realistic photographic drawings, because the Photoshop is using the raster graphic, and the raster graphic is better than the vector graphics when it comes to reproduce realistic photographic drawings. When you launch a first time Adobe Illustrator, this might look like this, what you can see now on my screen. I've got an active subscription for Creative Cloud. I give a click on this icon, and this will take me inside my subscription. I'm going to click continue to United Kingdom because I'm located in United Kingdom. And here I'm going to give a click on desktop downloads, click. And here I've got all the apps. So I've got an active subscription for the Creative Cloud, all apps. This is the price, £49.94 monthly. Yeah, you can choose another plan if you want. You have this option to buy a individual app, as you can see here. This is quite a good price, in my opinion, £8.32, and you get Lightroom and Photoshop. Also, you can get a Illustrator active subscription for £19.97 monthly. Also, you have the option, the free trial option. Yeah, give a click on this link, start free trial, and you will see you have 7 days free trial option, which in my opinion is not enough. If I know well, before it was about 30 days, now just 7 days. So you can use one of these options to get Adobe Illustrator. Either you buy a active subscription for this price, $19.97, or you are going to use the free trial period, 7 days, to get Adobe Illustrator or the all apps plan, which is part of this Creative Cloud. So up to you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.